If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. A biologist with Florida Fish and Wildlife saw what appeared to be endangered air plants taken from the Myakka River Wild and Scenic area. Officers contacted the suspects at a nearby boat ramp.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
7320.
What y'all up to?
What?
What you guys up to?
Nothing, I'm going home right there.
Oh, you live on the river here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let me just check your gear real quick. You got all your safety stuff with you?
Want to see life jackets?
Yeah, yeah.
Gotta get up on it.
Here, I'll get you. Hold on.
You want me to get out?
No, you don't gotta get up.
It's up to you.
Gotta get up so I can show you.
Yeah.
I gotta take all of this out, really.
Well, if I can see it, hold on one second.
Well, you can see more life jackets in here, flares, fire extinguisher, night light.
All right, you got a third life jacket in there?
No,
Just two?
it's just two.
Yeah, okay. You got a whistle or a horn or anything?
Absolutely, whistle's right there.
Okay, perfect. All right, and can I see the registration real quick, please? Yeah, just keep this boat at your dock, or?
It's on a boat lift right around.
On a lift? Okay, cool.
In fact, this is the first time it's been out in 10 years.
Oh, really? Is it registered to you?
Elena.
Oh, okay. Is that you?
I'm Dale.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license with your ID? From Illinois?
Yes.
So what you got here?
Air plants
Yeah. Where'd you get those from?
up the river.
Yeah. What do you do with those? Can you plant them? Or you can hang them?
No, I hang and put them in my tree at the house.
Sorry, further back.
If you go stand in the parking lot, you can look at my house and load it.
Oh, yeah. All right. How long you been coming down here to Florida?
2 years.
2 years?
22 years.
Oh, 22. Oh, okay. You still work up there or no?
I haven't worked in 20 years.
Oh, yeah? Good for you. All right. Are you familiar with the Myakka Scenic area? All right. Well, it starts right here at this 41 bridge. And anything on the Myakka River north of that bridge, you're not allowed to take. So, which would include air plants.
Okay.
All right. There's a special set of rules specifically for this area right here.
So you gonna let us keep these?
We'll see. I guess, did you guys talk to a biologist up there or a state employee?
No.
No.
We went up to Snugs, had lunch, and came back.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, let me talk to them. So you need to have 3 life jackets on here. How big is this? 14 feet?
I think it's 17.
Oh, is it? 15.6, so it's under 16. So this is what we got here. They're just shy 1 life jacket as far as boat stuff, and then they got these air plants off the river here.
All right. So, do you guys know about the Myakka River Wild and Scenic laws? All right.
You just explained it to us.
Okay, perfect. All right. So, what do you guys do with the plants, by the way? Just
I live right around the corner here. If you stand in the parking lot, you point to my house, and you put them in the tree there.
all righty. You already got another driver's license?
I actually have some that we bought at MRTs that I have hanging in the tree, but these are bigger than the ones I bought at MRTs.
Right. The entire river's super strictly protected. Like the entirety of it, the plants, the animals, the wildlife, the whole 9. All right. So the state statute under Myakka River Wild and Scenic, under what the administrative code is, I think it's like 62 Delta or something. You can't remove or cut any native wildlife. All right. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have to yank these plants from you, and man, you guys are like cutting oak branches and everything. You got a little sawzall with you?
Yes.
All right. You two have your driver's licenses with you?
Right. License.
Around the corner, I knew where he...
All right. If I can get yours and yours too. All Illinois?
Yeah. She doesn't have hers.
All right. Where'd you park at?
The house is right around
At the
corner,
house?
I guess.
All right. You Florida resident or you out of state?
No, she's Illinois would be.
Illinois with you? All right. Can you do me a big favor? can you do your first name, middle initial, last name, and your date of birth on that piece of paper right there? Alrighty. Perfect. We'll be back with you guys here in a little bit, alright? Just hang tight.
So what do you want to do?
Well, the
You gotta take
bio...
those plants?
Well, I'm going to take the plants. Probably just give it to the Oscar Shear bio to put them back.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to have to go one by one. Alright?
I was hoping you could give us a breakdown.
I'm sorry to say, but I cannot, especially since we're actually cutting you a break because they are endangered and threatened species of plants. So we're not charging you under them being endangered and threatened species of plants. We're going to dumb it down, and we're going to go under Myakka River Wild and Scenic loss. Alright? So not as big of a deal, but at the end of the day, you're still going to have to go to a court date. If it's your first offense when it comes to our Florida's natural resources, they generally don't make a big deal about it the first time. Alright? But whom I got first? Miss Diana. Alright? So you're going to have a court date on the south end of Sarasota County. Alright, here's the address. This is date and time. If you have any questions, like if you guys are going back and forth from up north or anything.
Well,
Alright.
we was going back in another week.
Yep, they're generally pretty flexible about everything, about changing court dates. I can't reassure everything just because it's through the county. You pretty much have to be there. Alright? So...
I have a job.
Oh,
Oh my god. I'm gonna do this.
alrighty.
They're not lenient about it, like online, pay online, or
You can ask them. I don't work in the county office like that.
Might be able to just plead guilty, pay for it. Who knows? I don't know.
Alrighty. Alright, so if you sign by the X, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just saying you'll take care of it one way or another. Alright?
what is the court?
For violation of Myakka River Wild and Scenic under our 62D, it is taking wild or any native wild plants out of the Myakka River.
Actually, these was
Here's your copy.
land not in the river. We cut them from here.
It counts all of, like along the banks, everything.
He'll explain to you which ones these are.
So all mangroves, all native wildlife is all protected in the river area. These actually are state endangered. So they're the highest, they're the highest level of protection the state offers a plant. These are giant air plants. Tillandsia utriculata is the scientific name. The big ones that look like pineapple heads. So like your pineapple top, pineapples are bromeliads. These two are giants. That's a giant. That's a giant. That's a giant. These smaller guys are too small to tell. They could be either giant or cardinal air plants. About 7 inches, you can start to differentiate. These other things are in the same family. They're not endangered. The little things look like
Yeah, the little fuzzy thing.
that's northern needleleaf.
So other
They're
than
still
the
protected.
go ahead, Dale.
Can't take any of that. But
Yeah, other than the scenic wildlife rule, this is a protected plant.
oh yeah, so there's another rule. I don't know Dax's rules, but you can't have that. You can't transport it or possess it. Whatever Dax's rule is.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are 68. We're 62. I don't
Right.
know what Dax is. Actually, I might hand this to you. That's your driver's license and his driver's license. Yep, he's got the registration and his in there. Dax's rules, but get this. All right, this is just the warning for the life jacket. Not a big deal. All right, just gotta make sure you have 3 on board. 3 people, three life jackets. All right. All right, same deal. This is the address. That's date. There's your time. If you got any questions, just Google
Can you
the.
follow up and get a different date because we was actually going back up north next week.
Yeah, I'd give them a ring and they might change it up.
Yeah, just call them. There's the number's on there.
Phone number on there?
Yeah, give them a call and let them know what you got going on.
If the phone number's not on there, you just Google Sarasota Courthouse.
Would you be able to? Well, do you want to just grab them off the boat or?
Yeah. Let's. All right, you able to toss me those real gently?
One's on the plate. Still gonna be on the river. I'm gonna put them right over there.
They can't be moved. We're gonna get a.
Okay.
Learn something new every day, I guess.
Yeah.
A hard one.
Yeah.
All able to toss me these branches, or are they gonna get caught up in your legs there?
Well, I
This is a double.
Oh, it's all.
Well, that's actually good because we can use. We'll figure out a way to actually get this back up in the tree. You guys have open bed? I didn't look.
Yeah, I
You
did.
just drive it back, you put it in your thing, and then I didn't want to walk that dog with my.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, they wasn't supposed to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, you got anything else for him, Esteban?
Oh, we're square. Any questions for me? Y'all good?
All right, man.
Yeah, I think I don't want to crush him. I think I'm gonna.
Yeah, we can walk him back to you.
Yeah. I'll take this one on the run, and then.
I'll grab that branch one.
Yeah, I parked right beyond that dumpster. There's kind of a pull off.
Yeah.
That one was also out of their
Oh,
boat.
you want to put these on your tailgate anyway, right?
Yeah, I got to take a photo of them.
Let's do
Yeah.
tailgate. Up to the few people that have 3 or 4.
Yeah, this is.
And I could
These
see
are
them
pretty
stick-
big.
I just saw the giant sticking out the top, and I
Yeah.
was like, I'm 99% sure it's a giant. Could be a cardinal, but there's nothing else it could be.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a lot of plants right there.
Yeah.
Cool. If I get a picture too, because I do.
Not at
a
all.
report.
Do you want to take this one back out?
But I think it's just to show that we recovered them. I think that.
In the end, all 3 were charged with removing or cutting native vegetation except as a function of permitted activity. All 3 pled no contest, their adjudication was withheld, and they were each ordered to pay $268 in costs. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.